Hello friends, welcome in ISC affiliate program. Now this program is known as the best online affiliate program in the world. Why we say that you will come to know in upcoming slides. In ISC affiliate program you will have lifetime income opportunity, and yes, that's the unique feature here, lifetime income opportunity. Now, do you know the latest trends? Yes, of course, this is online learning or e-learning. Do you know the next biggest opportunity in the world? Yes, of course, this is online learning or e-learning. And associated with that, affiliate marketing for online education products. Now, do you know the growth rate of e-learning market size? As per market research data, online education market size in India was 39 billion Indian rupees in 2018. And as far as the growth is concerned, this market is expected to cross 360 billion, approximately 10 times in Indian rupees in 2024. As far as the world market is concerned, online education market size in the world was 170 billion US dollar in year 2018. And as far as growth is concerned, online education market size in the world is expected to cross 290 billion US dollar in year 2024. So data are very promising. Now, do you know who are becoming new riches in this internet booming age? Yes, of course, when the online education market is growing, so teachers who are online teaching or the instructors who are teaching online, they are the new riches in this internet booming age. And of course, yes, with that, online product sellers, or what we say promoters, or what we say affiliates with them, they are the ones who are making big money, and they are promised with a future to make huge money in this internet booming age. So listen carefully, because there's too much stored in ISC affiliate program for you. This program is the best affiliate program in the world. Now it has opportunity to earn lifetime income, as we discussed before too, but we'll talk in detail. And this is a global opportunity. That's the best part of it. Now, the question will be, what is ISC affiliate opportunity? Yes, of course, this opportunity is a great opportunity to earn amazing part-time income. An ISC opportunity is there where you can earn up to 15 to 17% on net sales volume. Wow. Now your question will be, how? Let me answer you. Now you can make this kind of money by a successful sale of online educational products. You can do this with various activities like build your database, traffic building. You can sign up as many as a student or customer possible via personal sale, via team building, and via personal brand building. We will explain every point in detail. So number one point is that you can build your database via online marketing, online promotion, and there are various ways with which you can build your huge database. This database could be Indian, or this database could be the global database. Next is traffic building. You can build traffic over ISC website. You can build traffic towards ISC website or towards you via using your various social media channels. And you can build your traffic via writing blogs. I'm giving you just 3 examples. There are various other examples with which you are the expert one. You can build a lot of traffic. Now, you can sign as many as a student or customer possible. I will recommend you to listen this slide very carefully, because there is too much stored here. Your goal should be to sign up as max as a student or customer possible on ISC app or website. You know why? Point number 2 will clear that. A student or the customer you signed up once with your affiliate ID will be lifetime asset or customer with this affiliate ID. Yes, this is very important to understand. They will be your lifetime asset or customer associated with your affiliate ID. And now whenever this student or customer purchase any course, this could be today, this could be tomorrow, this could be after 10 months, this could be after 10 years, connected ID will make money. Yes, it means as many as a student you sign up on ISC website with your affiliate ID, whenever they purchase any product, any educational product, any educational online course or teachings, you will make money out of it, which could be today, which could be after 2 months, which could be after 10 months, even after 10 years. And how much you can earn? You can earn up to 15% on every sale by your registered customer or a student. So that's an outstanding lifetime earning potential income. Now here is an example. You as an affiliate, where your potential is to make personal sale commission up to 15%. Now in this example, suppose you register 1 to 100, for example 100 students directly with you. You signed up on ISC website, and we consider a simple example that suppose they purchase rupees 1000 rupees course or education product through ISC website. So 100 student creating 1000 rupees sale, total goes to 1 lakh rupees sale. You will make 15% on that, which is 15,000. And one point is very, very important. This is irrespective to time. This 1 lakh rupees sale could be in 1 month, could be in 2 months, could be in 6 months. But whenever any sale is going on, 15% will come in your pocket. That's the key. Example number 2. You as an affiliate, suppose in this example, you register 500 students with you, and every student does a sale of 1000 rupees, again saying irrespective of time. Now 500 student, 1000 rupees sale goes to 5 lakh rupees sale. And as your commission goes to 15%, so 15% of 5 lakh rupees goes to 75,000 rupees commission over that. In next slide, one more example. Suppose in this example, you register or sign up 1000 students with you. Each student does 1000 rupees sale, irrespective of time. So 1000 student, 1000 rupees sale, total sale goes to 10 lakh rupees, and you will make 15% over that, again irrespective of time, and your total commission will be 1,50,000, which is a good part-time income. Now you can increase your personal sign-ups or your sale via different methods. You can use WhatsApp marketing. You can use Telegram marketing. You can use all kind of social media promotion. You can use word of mouth. You can do one-to-one meeting, physical meetings in a Starbucks and so many other places. You can do unlimited online meeting over Zoom, Google Meet, and you can do online seminar. You can do online webinar. I mean, sitting at your home, sitting at your office, sitting at your college, your mobile with internet can create magic, and you can create your business not only in India, you can create actual business around the world. Now, what is the next big opportunity? You can always ask, what is the next big opportunity? Well, next big opportunity is team building. You can not only sign up the students here, ISC give you great opportunity of team building, team of like-minded affiliates who would love to sign up more traffic, more students over ISC website. They will love to do a lot of sale of ISC educational products. Now, what will be your benefit? See, your benefit is to earn up to 2% commission over team business volume. So that's a great opportunity. So here two opportunities are: opportunity to build unlimited number of affiliate teams, because your question could be how many affiliates I can register. You can register as max affiliates possible, and you can earn up to 2% commission over team business volume. For example, step 1, you did suppose a sale of 1 lakh rupees. Now you will make 15% commission of that. So 15,000 rupees, which is your personal sign up students, personal sale and all that. Going forward here in example number 2, step number 2, you are creating a team of affiliates also. Now, in this example, suppose you created a team of 10 affiliates, and we consider that every affiliate does a sale of 1 lakh rupees each with their group of students. Now, with 10 affiliates, the total sale reaches 10 lakh rupees. Again, this is irrespective of time. It could be in 1 month, it could be in 5 months, it could be in 10 months, whatever. Now, 10 lakh rupees sale. Now, on your personal sale, you will earn 15%, and over your team sale, over your team volume sale, you will earn 2%. So 2% of 10 lakh, and you already made 15,000 over your personal commission. So 2% of 10 lakh goes to 20,000 rupees plus 15,000 rupees. As a whole, you will make 35,000 rupees total as a commission. Now you may ask me how to multiply my profit. Will I make those tiny profits, or can I make big profits also? Yes, of course, you can make big profits also. How can you increase? Increase your personal sale via increasing your personal signups, students or customers. Means what? You can always increase your personal sign-up student. There is no limit to that. Number two, you can build any number of affiliates team. There is again no limit to that. And more affiliates, more sale means more profit. The more affiliate you will have, the bigger sale you will have, and you will make more profit out of it. There is no upper limit or upper cap of making money. How is that possible? So in this example, you will understand how is that possible. So we consider that you are doing a personal sale of 1 lakh rupees where you are making 15% commission of that, which is 15,000 rupees. And here you created a team of affiliates which goes to 50 number of affiliates team. Now each affiliate does a sale of 1 lakh rupees. Now total sale reaches to 50 lakh with 50 affiliates, and 2% of that 50 lakh goes to 1 lakh rupees. Now as a whole, your commission reaches up to 1,15,000 rupees as a total commission. In next example, we consider your personal sale is still 1 lakh rupees, but your team number reaches to 100. Means your affiliate team number reaches to 100. So 100 multiplied by 1 lakh rupees sale reaches to 1 crore rupees sale. Your personal commission over 1 lakh rupees again is 15,000 rupees, but 2% commission over 1 crore rupees sale reaches to 2 lakh rupees. So total commission in this case reaches to 2,15,000 rupees. Now you may have a question, how to earn big money in future? Is it possible with ISC to earn big money? The answer is yes, this is possible. How is that possible? Let me share some example here. You can become star performer in ISC and you can make big money. Now, with ISC, your personal sale commission is up to 15%. We told you already. So suppose in ISC, you signed up big number of students. In this example, to become a star performer, for example, you are signing up 500 students. Now these 500 students considering same 1,000 rupees sale. So 1,000 into 500, your total sale reaches to 5 lakh rupees. And 15% of that 5 lakh rupees sale reaches to 75,000 rupees. So that's a big money. Is that okay? Is that sufficient? Answer is no. There is too much stored for you. Let's check next slide. Now in this slide, you're creating a team of affiliate also. And suppose you create a team of 500 affiliates, where every affiliate does a sale of 1 lakh rupees. So total sale reaches to 5 crore rupees. You will make 2% of that. So 2% of 5 lakh rupees will be 10 lakh rupees. Now, in this case, your total earning will be 75,000 rupees plus 10 lakh rupees, and your total earning will be 10 lakh 75,000 rupees. I would love to quote here once again, irrespective to time. In next example, you as an affiliate, where your personal commission again is 15%. Now suppose, now in this slide, you don't want to stop. You want to make big money, really more money. So nobody stops you. Here, your personal commission is again 15%. Now you want to make more money, so you have no limit to sign up number of students. You can sign up as big as your dreams are. Suppose you sign up 1000 students where everyone does approximately 1000 rupees purchase. So that is your sale. So 1000 student, 1000 rupees sale, total sale goes to 10 lakh rupees, and you will make 15% out of that, which is 1,50,000 rupees. Now, in next case, now suppose you create not only 1000 students, but you create 1000 affiliate also. Now you know that you will make 2% out of those 1000 affiliates total volume. Now suppose every affiliate creates 1 lakh rupees sale. With 1000 affiliates, total sale reaches to 10 crore. 1000 into 1 lakh, 10 crore rupees sale. And 2% of that 10 crore will be 20 lakh rupees. Again, I will say this serious money irrespective of time. So total commission reaches to 1,50,000 your personal commission, 20 lakh rupees your team volume commission. So as a whole, 21,50,000 rupees commission. That's a real big money. And this is not the end. You can reach up to any point. Now I know you are excited at this point. Now you want to ask, what should I do? Yes, you can start working on social medias. You can start doing meeting. You can start promoting the whole idea, what we are sharing with you. You can start sharing this video with your friends, your relatives, anybody. It could be stranger. You start building your own personal brand over different social media. Promote your own videos, post on various social channels in education domain. It could be Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp, YouTube, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Facebook, or much more. Nobody stops you. Nobody stops you, man. Now somebody may ask me, even though I don't expect this question nowadays, why online and why now? Hey, guys, this is the best time to go online. Everybody is going online. People love watching videos, video courses, man. Now, as I talk to you who are becoming new riches through online stuffs, so the people who teach online, now the bigger question is, who can teach online? These are the people with some unique skills. I mean, they have some talents, some niche, some expertise, some professionalism, experience in their expert zone. They can make their courses online and they can make money. But bigger question is, who can sell via becoming online affiliate? Actually, this is anyone with a passion of making money. And this is the last slide where you can learn how to start. So you need to sign up over isc.online. Join with us. Join with ISC as an affiliate. Next step is you can start promoting. You can start promotion and sign up students using affiliate link. Now, as far as earning commission is concerned, you will earn commission on every successful sale by your registered student on lifetime basis. And last but not the least, you can create affiliate network and earn commission. So start creating your affiliate network, build a huge team, and make commission over your affiliate volume. All the best.